Hello, welcome back to Mishra's Global Learning Academy. Today we are diving into the fascinating journey of drug development. This process ensures that new medicines are safe and effective for patients. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Disease target identification. First, scientists identify a disease target, which is usually a molecule involved in the disease. They study the biology of the disease to understand what causes it and how it progresses. By pinpointing the key players, researchers can focus on developing treatments that target these molecules. Step 2. Lead compound identification. Next, researchers search for a lead compound, a potential drug candidate. They screen thousands of compounds to find one that interacts effectively with the disease target. Advanced technologies and testing methods help them identify the most promising candidates. Step 3. Lead optimization. Once a potential lead compound is found, scientists optimize it. They tweak its structure to enhance its effectiveness and minimize side effects. This phase involves extensive testing and fine-tuning to develop the best possible drug candidate. Step 4. Preclinical testing. The optimized compound then undergoes preclinical testing. This includes laboratory, in vitro, and animal in vivo studies to evaluate its safety and effectiveness. Researchers study how the drug behaves in the body and its potential effects on the disease. Step 5. Investigational new drug IND application. If preclinical tests are successful, scientists submit an investigational new drug, also called as IND application, to regulatory authorities like the Food and Drug Administration (FDA). This application includes all the preclinical data and plans for human trials. Approval allows them to proceed to the next stage. Step 6. Clinical trials. Clinical trials are conducted in 3 phases. Phase 1. The drug is tested on a small group of healthy volunteers to assess its safety, dosage, and side effects. About 70% of drugs move past this phase. Phase 2. The drug is given to a larger group of patients who have the disease. This phase evaluates its effectiveness and continues to monitor its safety. Approximately 33% of drugs make it through phase 2. Phase 3. The drug is tested on a large group of patients to confirm its effectiveness, monitor side effects, and compare it to existing treatments. Only around 25 to 30% of drugs advanced past phase 3. Step 7. New drug application, also called as NDA application. After successful clinical trials, researchers submit a new drug application to regulatory authorities. This application includes all the data from the clinical trials, details on how the drug is made, and proposed labeling. Step 8. Regulatory review and approval. Regulatory authorities review the NDA to ensure the drug is safe and effective. This review process can take several months. Once approved, the drug can be marketed and prescribed to patients. Only about 8 to 12% of drugs that enter clinical trials are ultimately approved. Step 9. Post-marketing surveillance, also called as phase 4 of clinical trials. Even after approval, the drug is monitored for long-term safety and effectiveness in the general population. This helps to identify any rare side effects and ensures the drug continues to be safe. So the video concludes by saying that that's the drug development process from start to finish. It's a long and meticulous journey, but every step is essential to bringing safe and effective medicines to patients. In fact, out of approximately 5,000 to 10,000 compounds that start in the discovery phase, only one will ultimately be approved for use. Thank you for joining us today at Mishra's Global Learning Academy. We hope you found this overview engaging and informative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time. Until then, keep learning and stay curious.